Want to launch your favorite apps in just a few keystrokes? In this guide, I'll show you how to use Keypirinha to open applications faster than searching through the Start menu. We'll cover the basics, a few useful shortcuts, and some tips to help you work more efficiently. So let's get started. First, make sure Keypirinha is installed and running on your computer. If it's running in the background, press the default shortcut, Ctrl plus Windows plus K. The Keypirinha launcher should appear in the center of your screen, ready for you to type. Click inside the launcher if needed, then begin typing the name of the application you want to open. You don't have to type the entire name. As you enter a few letters, Keypirinha immediately starts displaying matching results. If multiple results appear, use the up and down arrow keys to move through the list. Once the application you want is highlighted, simply press Enter to launch it. It's a quick process that usually takes only a couple of seconds. The more you use Keypirinha, the smarter it becomes at ranking the applications you open most often. That means your favorite programs will usually appear near the top of the results, allowing you to launch them with even fewer keystrokes. If an application doesn't appear, make sure it's installed correctly and that Keypirinha has refreshed its catalog. You can also restart Keypirinha or update its catalog if you've recently installed new software. Keeping the catalog up to date helps ensure accurate search results. And that's all there is to launching apps with Keypirinha. After a little practice, opening your favorite programs becomes almost instant, helping you save time throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.